The land was in the same family's ownership and guidance for about 130 years. So starting with Josiah Wilson in the 1880s, they cleared the land of hardwoods, then turned that land into some of the most wonderful, fertile growing soil in this region of the Delta. In 2010, Gaylon Lawrence Sr. and Gaylon Lawrence Jr. started asking about whether this property might be for sale. They purchased the land, the commercial buildings in town, and 3 great houses. So you may ask, why redevelop a town and attempt to make it a beacon of change in the Delta, which most towns are dissolving, people are moving out?
I think it was brilliant on the Lawrence's part to understand that the quality of management of their farmland heavily depends on this area as a community.
If you want to keep really talented farming families here, you have to make amenities that really make it comfortable for people who are living here. So that would include education, like at the Delta School. It would include a fine restaurant, a good grocery store, and the arts.
So he started, so 1, 2, 3, 4. This is number 4, okay?
Well, the Delta School isn't a traditional learning institution. It allows our kids to pursue their interest in a way that I've never seen at any other school. There's only one shot at educating kids, so it's very important as a parent. And that's ultimately what drew us to this town.
When we were designing the classroom spaces, there was a driven understanding that we would have classrooms that were not walled off, that actually shared the outdoor experience. Architecture is light and form, and actually your Pella windows are most of the form and the light in the buildings.
When I met with Mr. Lawrence and his group and his architect, they wanted quality products. Pella was a good fit because it matched most of the architecture in the town with Architect Series windows, and the quality of the window matches the quality of their vision of the town.
They came up with excellent door options, casement window options, fit it all in. Pella's installers were fabulous and have had nothing but rave reviews.
There's just so many things that we could talk about. I mean, I could stand here all day and discuss things that I like about this area. All you have to do is look around at the quality of what's being done. I think it's going to end up being a great place to raise a family.